In front of me is Doogee X100, and let me show you how to activate spell checker on the following device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and then select system. Here click on languages and input, and now go to virtual keyboard. Click on Gboard, and select text correction. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and as you can see currently it is activated, but once it is not, smoothly tap on this switcher and make it active. That means that your spell checker is turned on. Obviously you can switch it off the same way if you want to. But basically that's it. You just have to click to activate or deactivate your spell checker. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.